So we have several different egrets here. This is the great egret. We have a smaller one called the snowy. We may get a chance to see one of those. The smaller gray bird on the mudflats there. Oh, there it took off. Oh, it's going to pose for you. How nice. And the smaller gray bird on the edge of the water there is a willet, another one of your shore birds. A different type of beak, different length. It's going down, you can see it there, it's working the mud there, it's going after some of the invertebrates, various small clams and worms and crustaceans, amphipods, some of the things that will be seen in the lab later today. That was a nice little display. And there's another willet just in front of the egret on the other side now, working the mudflats. So these mudflats are full of a variety of worms and clams and shrimp and crabs, so they're going after a lot of that. The egret, you can see, is a very different kind of hunter. It's not sticking its beak in the mud, it's actually stalking for fish or shrimp. And so it watches and moves very slowly, and it'll hold its neck back almost like a snake, and then shoot its head out in the beak and try to catch whatever gets moving in the water there. The other large wading bird we have is the great blue heron. You've probably seen those up in the San Francisco area also. They eat gophers. Well, both the great egret and the great blue heron sometimes you'll see in grasslands along the freeway and upland habitat, because they're very opportunistic. They don't just wade in the water going after fish. They will go after lizards. That snake would be a good food for them. So we see them up in the grasslands sometimes in the evening or early morning. They'll be going after gophers and rodents and stuff. So they have a variety of things that they like to feed. So keep in mind as we watch this used to be pasture land, so question mark that we'll come back to, is this a successful restoration?